In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $15,525 in commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic on Pinterest. I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on Pinterest if you want to earn some commission. I will share with you new methods that you should start using and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share with you for free. So I made this commission in the month of May, this month, from the first day of May until the day 26th of May. I made $15,525 just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic, and this is my affiliate account dashboard. Okay, it's not screenshots, guys. Okay, and as you can see over here, you can click over here, you have this is my dashboard, this is marketing tools here, reports, payments, and so much more. Okay, so anyways, so for people who are interested to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, step number one, guys, go to Google. Okay, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to this website is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So it's really easy. So just come to this page and scroll down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, like this, and it's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate marketing. They are really paying a good commission, guys, and this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Okay, yes, from my experience, because they are paying a good commission. You can make a lot of money. Okay, if you are just getting just few orders, just few people will use your affiliate link to buy those services, you can make a lot of money. Okay, anyway, just click over here on join now, and here you go, you will be directly to this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So just put your first name here, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Okay, choose your country, super easy, just choose your country over here and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It's super easy and it's gonna take just few minutes from your time. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, it's really easy, guys, and simple. So I want you to pay attention in this step. So what you need to do next is you need to go to Fiverr, to your home page on Fiverr. So now I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on Pinterest if you want to earn some commission. And this is it's a trending affiliate link that a lot of people are searching for. And what you will do next, just click on the search for Pinterest. Okay, search for Pinterest manager. Yes, search for Pinterest manager. Okay, like this. So why I choose this service? So I will promote affiliate links on Pinterest. So since I'm promoting affiliate links on Pinterest, I will choose services related to Pinterest, services that will help people who are using Pinterest to grow their Pinterest account, and so it will be benefit for them and I will earn commission. Okay, so choose services related to Pinterest. Anyway, search for Pinterest manager, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose good seller here. Let me see, like this one is top rated seller. I think this one is level 2 seller. This one has a lot of reviews, almost 5 star. I will click on his service. Okay, so just click on his service and here you go, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. And as you can see, this seller has 14 orders in queue. That's really good. People keep coming back. You can see how many orders this seller has sold. Okay, You see how many people are buying this service? People who always keep asking, keep commenting like some stupid comments. It's not working. People will not buy those services. If people will not buy those services, which people are buying now? Which people are buying those services? Okay. Why this seller has a lot of reviews here? Why he has a lot of reviews, a lot of orders in queue? Okay. Which people will buy this service? Only people who are using Pinterest. People who are using Pinterest. People who want to grow their Pinterest account. So guys, you just need to do it correctly. Okay? Anyway, so what you will do next, you will copy this seller profile link. Copy this seller profile link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. Just click over here. So you have your dashboard. You have marketing tools. You have reports, payments, post back, sub affiliate, commercial plan. Click on marketing tools. Click on default and deep links. It's gonna take you to this page. Click over here on deep link and put this seller profile link here like this. Click on save. Here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. If you guys don't have Pinterest account, go to Google, search for Pinterest like this. Click on the first link. Make sure to choose business account, not personal account. Create Pinterest business account. It's super easy, it's for free. You just need to use your email address and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest, okay? And did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors, okay? 1 billion monthly visitors, guys. That's a really big number. Millions of people every single day are scrolling on Pinterest and they are using Pinterest. Those people, a lot of people will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link to grow their Pinterest account, okay? And as you can see, 1 billion monthly visitors, that's a really big number. Anyway, just open your Pinterest account like this. Click over here on home feed. Click on create pin. You will be directly in this page like this. So you need to upload a picture about this service that you want to promote. Go back to this seller profile page, okay? Scroll down. You can upload this video. It's better to use video, okay? So for me, I will just use picture. It's easy to use video. Just click on the video.
Attention! If you want to expand your online presence and reach more customers, don't overlook Pinterest. With its massive user base and search engine capabilities, it's one of the most powerful platforms for building brand awareness.
You can see, guys, video is really amazing. So people, if people who are interested to grow their Pinterest account, if they watch this video, of course they will buy your this service from your affiliate link because the video converts better than pictures, okay? It's using videos really is better, okay? So you can just click on the video like this and you can click over here, double click on the video, and you have here save video, okay? And you can save this video to your laptop. So for me, I will just use picture for now. I will click on this picture, double click, and I will click on save image, and I will save this picture to my laptop like this, okay? Go to Pinterest, click over here. You can upload your video. You can find your video in your laptop. So for me, I will just, like I said, I will use picture just to show you. I want just to show you guys how we can do it, okay? So you need to put title and description. Go back to this seller profile page, copy his title. Okay, let me see. I will copy his title like this. Go to Pinterest, click here and put this title over here. So description, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. You have here about this gig. Copy this description. This is the description of this seller. I will copy this part. Go to Pinterest and I will put this description here. Scroll down. You need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. So for you guys, you can't see this. If you have new Fiverr affiliate account and if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. So because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business. It's like almost now 5 years doing this business. That's why I still have this option. Anyway, for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. It's almost the same. So just copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, like this. And go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Scroll down, click on choose a board. And click over here. If you have new account, click on create a board. And you just need to give it a name and that's it. So I will choose this one and you can create as many as you want. So you need to put tags, keywords related to this service. So how you can find keyword? Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, just keep scrolling down until you find related tags. Okay, those are the keywords that you need to use. Copy those keywords like this and put those keywords here. Let's go back, let's copy Pinterest marketing. So make sure to use all those keywords. Just use as many keywords as you want, as you can. Okay, they are very important. And after you finish, click on publish. And here you go, your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. It's super easy. Okay, it's really easy and simple. That's how we can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest. It's really easy, guys. You just need to stay consistent. You need to choose services related to Pinterest and grow your Pinterest account, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments and see you in my next videos.